Hello friends, today we are going to talk about how to configure dynamic field visibility in Salesforce using advanced filter logic on a lightning record page. And the use case will be there is a credit limit field in the contact record. Let me just show you the field. This is the credit limit field and is of data type like number, and we are going to set the visibility of this credit limit field based on the account type, right? So we have earlier shown how to make the field visibility based on a same record, like based on a same contact record field. We can make sure one field is getting visible based on a field value, or a selected field pick list values, or kind of those use cases. But today we are going to see how to make sure one to display one field in a child record based on a parent record data, right? So you will use component visibility settings in the lightning page and reference a relational field, and the relational field will be account field, right, from the account record. So this basically prevents financial data from appearing for partners or vendor accounts. So right, so let me just update the lightning record page. So in the contact record, so this is the associated contact for that account, American Banking Corp. So let me just open this edit page. So on clicking on gear icon, I can just open the lightning record page. So in here in the details section, we have this field credit limit, right? So we just need to update the field visibility. So if I just click on this add filter, so we can find this filter type. There are different options are there, right? Record field, device, advanced. So record field basically it's just for the same record fields, right? These are the fields for the contact record, but we want to set the visibility based on the relational field, right, based on the account field, right? So in that case we just need to click on this advanced, and in the field section, so we just need to click on this select and select a field. So in here we just need to make sure this record is being selected, and in here we just need to search for account. So this is the account name. If I just click on this account name, it will just show the list of account fields available to be selected, right? So in here I'll just search for type. So type, let me just choose this type. So type is a pick list field type, and let me just click on done. And whenever so we want to display this credit limit field in the contact record, so whenever the account is of customer channel, right? um, Customer channel or customer direct. Let me just choose this customer direct as well, and let me just add another condition for the same. Let me just click on advanced select. In here we'll be searching for record, and in here let me just search for account name, and again type. Let me just click on done, and again this should be customer channel, and let me just click on done, right? So uh, so any filters are true, this needs to be selected. Show the component when any of the filters are true. So whenever the account is type of customer direct or customer channel, then we want to display this credit limit field, right? So after configuring this visibility, we can just simply click on save, and let me just go back to the contact record page. So currently the customer channel is being selected for the account type. So let me just check whether the field is showing or not, and we can see this credit limit field is showing, right? So if I just update the account type to another rather than apart from this customer direct or customer channel, let me just choose this installation partner. Let me just click on save, and let me just refresh the contact record page. and we can see that this credit limit field is not available, right? So this is how we can just simply configure the advanced filter in the lightning record page. So that's all for today's demo. I'll be uploading more tutorials on Salesforce, Omni Studio and Data Cloud topics. So please stay tuned, and if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.